Let's get everybody who are not there. Let me see if I can change where the thing is recording to, because I need to capture. I think a VS Code would probably be a better thing to capture than this. So can I add something here? Okay, I need to actually like think about something. Like, oh yeah, window capture. Yeah, just capture the window. Not the problem. Okay, so how's that? It's not really capturing my window. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I need to capture my window. The whole thing, everything. Can I do that? I don't really understand what's going on here. I need to capture the window. It's the same thing as the other one. Does that mean it's working? No. What's this? Okay, so that's a view. Well, I want to use that, but like, I'd rather have everything. Okay, what was this supposed to be? Oh, it means something else. Okay, never mind. I think it's supposed to be like a side thing. If you want to like show something on the side. I can't capture like the entire screen in general. It's not like the other ones. It's kind of weird. I can do that on Mozilla Firefox, and it's not even like installed like on my actual computer. But I can capture like the entire screen with Mozilla. Like there's like an app that allows me to do that, but I can't even do that with like one that I downloaded onto my actual computer. Hmm. Okay. Actually, I might not be. Let me think here. Window capture. Okay, so when I say window capture, it means like a specific window to capture. It's just not what I'm looking for. Display capture. So this is everything? The whole thing. Oh, this is it? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? All right, well, um, yeah, I guess let's begin. Maybe I should put this somewhere. No, I don't think I should do that today. If you want to take a look at the resi here. I took away all this stuff. Like I had a bunch of other stuff here. Um, I like said that I trained some models and stuff. Actually, I probably should put that back in. Like say a bunch of other things that I did, but like I took it out because I thought that no one would find it useful. Um, this is what the old one looked like. I still have it here, I think. Here, this is what the old one looked like. Yeah. The only real difference, like the only real difference is like uh I did this like content wise. Like I did this like a couple weeks, like 2 weeks ago or something. It wasn't even real. Like I probably shouldn't say too much because like I might like make myself sound dumber. But like I just kind of like signed up for something and they accepted me for whatever reason and I did this, but I did a terrible job at it, so it didn't even matter. But like I thought these were like way too long, and to be honest, they were. Oh, should I just expose my GPA? It's not a good GPA. Just Like it's not. I rounded it up too. This is supposed to be at the time it was a 3.489. It's not a 5. And now it's like a 3.44 because like yeah, I'm not gonna show you too much, but like I got like a C in linear algebra. It just fucking threw me off. I hope I don't get any C's next semester. I'm getting some. I've been getting them like every second semester. Taking like what cryptography. Mm. Yeah. Anyways, this is what I had before, and like this is kind of just bullshit. Like this right here, I did it, but like no one cares. Like you know what I mean? Like I can't see why anybody would ever care about this. You know what I mean? So I took it off, and like I went my only interview ever. Like the one I had like the only interview I've ever had. They said that they cared about this, and I was like, oh, so that means all this other stuff was just kind of bullshit. That's the way I was thinking. Like, and all this other stuff kind of just told them nothing. Like, and I was kind of like, you kind of had the right idea. Like, most of it did kind of just tell them nothing about like what you can really do. So, yeah, that's kind of like why I like took it off. Like, I didn't like really know what was the point even having it after that. So that's what I was thinking after that at that point. I just got rid of all of it. And like, this all over here is like, this is just freaking with bullshit. And this is obviously bullshit. This project, I never made it. Like, I just didn't do it. I should have just not even do it. And like this stuff was just over elaborated. So yeah. And then this over here, I did not even belong in that program. I think they kicked me out actually because I was too stupid. Anyways, um, and like, yeah, I just briefed up all the smaller details. And I guess some of the bigger ones too, but I just briefed everything up. That's like what I did with this. And then there's this project over here. I think I broke it actually. Okay, it looks okay right now, but like, if it's supposed to be going to something when you click, and it's not doing that because it's broken. It's supposed to be going to this, but I broke it, so unfortunately, I can't do much other than just move these clouds around. Which I guess is still okay, but like, it's not enough to get me a job, so that's no good. Also, it doesn't like readjust with the screen. I think that's probably going to be a pretty big turnoff. Yeah, I just made the whole entire thing with like raw. I made this when I was a freshman. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything, but like I made it when I was just like learning CS, learning like front end stuff like for the first time. I would like not pay attention in class, and then I don't know. I thought it was cool, It's like not paying attention in class and like learn something differently completely. Like I just did that. I feel like every time I feel like every time I go to class in like a CS class, people are just like flexing on each other and shit. Like, they're just like looking, they're waiting for somebody to like look over at their computer screen and then like feel bad about what they're doing. Like I look over at someone's computer screen and they're like doing, okay, maybe I'm just being like insecure and like, I'm just like taking it the wrong way. But like, I look over at someone's computer screen, they're like doing internship work or something. Or like, they're like showing off like their scholarships or some shit like that. It's like every fucking time. I've never seen anyone do anything like, you know, I mean, no people are looking. Like I saw one guy, like he was like looking at it. He was like looking at like he's checking his email for an internship. Like maybe I shouldn't be. Like, I think honestly, it's just my fault. Like I shouldn't even be looking at this stuff in the first place. But he was like getting like self conscious. Like he like people, everybody knows that everyone's looking. They know that they're looking. All right. Anyways, let's get back to doing some actual stuff. Uh, all right. Let me close this out so it's not gonna show up again. I'm probably not gonna get an internship. Like, just I don't think so. I'm trying to make a form right now. Just like something kind of simple. I'm not like trying to do anything crazy. But um, the problem was like the back end wasn't like. Can I separate this just in case? Is that gonna come out with me? No. Okay. I don't know how to do that. Okay, it does. That's a little bit strange. I don't mean to rip on OBS. OBS is wonderful software. So far it's been very pleasant to work with. Here, just cover up that stuff, move to the side. All right, let's leave it right there. So what? Seriously? Like, leave that right there. Okay. That's not the point of it though. This is okay. This actually just put it away. I don't really want to hear. All right. Yeah, I can just like pull it up when I need it now, like this. All right. So I'm showing you guys way too much information right now. Like I'm probably like leaking some serious information that's like critical to my survival right now. Like I'm not a streamer. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so as of lately I've been feeling kind of lazy. So I want to work on something here. So like I need to like um when I like make a project, like I feel like I get stuck too often just doing Lord knows what. Like actually let me pull up some terminals here. Just um what? That doesn't make any sense. I feel like I treat it like I'm studying and not like I don't know, how else do you do things? Like should I care about this? Like I can't like really okay, let me think. When should I care about how fast I'm doing? Well, just in general, you should care about how fast you're doing things. I think the only way to get stuff done faster is to like prepare yourself better. I'd imagine I can't really think of any other way to make this happen more quickly. Yeah. What the fuck, dude? Yeah, I can't really think of any other way to make it happen faster. I don't like that reason. This one's different. Alright, we are not focused on that right now. Dude, I don't know where to study anymore. I can't go to my room because like, you know, pressure. Like there's not a lot of places that I have where I have like a peace of mind anymore. Like before that was like my bathroom and like um okay, I'm like kind of giving a lot of details right now. But let me shut up for a second. I'll like that. I did it in like 30 minutes. Wait, I took off the clock. I need to actually see what time it is. Actually, should I do that? I don't. I guess that's fine. Yeah, that's all right. So I need to. I was trying to get like the back end to communicate with the front end. I didn't know how to do that. That's what I was struggling with last time. So I was trying to make like a request to the server here that I made, and yeah, let me just change the server so that it returns like a string for now. I can't like really rely off of anything else. All right, I'll just make this a string. Okay, now um, I need to. Now I need to figure out how to make this call happen. Can I get like anything from the server in general? Like from Light? Like, I think I need to know what this is in the first place. Okay, so I think I should like specifically it's an HTTP request. It's not an API request. This is not an API. What is this? What? You mean like the ones that come with it? I kind of want some peanuts right now. I haven't went to the gym in like I don't know, like I know like I didn't go like before, and I went after Christmas. I definitely went after Christmas. Yeah, like I guess I could go like today or tomorrow. Okay, I need to learn something. That's most likely the reason why this is happening. So I need to pull this out so I can take notes. Most likely about my. All right, so what's going on here? What's this talking about? The fuck? So it's saying you can create a function with this, like with height. So what is this talking about? Like, is this saying I can do this? It doesn't know what that is. No, this is okay. This is a server that you can pull out. So it's saying it's coming from Vite. So Vite has a function for creating the server, and I can import that here and then use it somewhere else later, or I can use it up here. Server await. Okay, so if I'm okay, and then okay, so can I use that same package to then call something in the same way? I don't see anything here related to HTTP. Here, is this a what is this? An options? This looks like OCaml. I can't tell what that is. This is okay. What's the Vite package for? No, bro. Okay, module. It's not a package. Use command. I don't quite understand. So should I check this? I don't think it's exactly what I'm thinking of. I think it is. It's the lightning bolt. Um, why is it so unpopular? 400. That does not make any. That does not sound right. If I watch this on YouTube, does that like get me like a content strike? I don't think so. Um, that's what Critical does all the time.
Can we use module federation
It's
with
just the
Vite as
positive.
well? Would it be of a hosting application and two features, each implemented as a separate web application? We start again from the initial project
I'm kind of
setup
worried.
and install the Vite
Now I'm
plugin.
like I think I might like get canceled or something. Okay. Okay. Um, you gotta work your way up. I don't think this is helpful. That's what I'm doing. I'll just look up HTTP invite and see what we get. Or actually, just HTTP in view. Viewer command. Okay, so yes, indeed, that is true. I agree. But this is a file, not a server. What is a wait? Does a wait like force it to be synchronous? I was supposed to. I skipped reading that stuff when I was supposed to be studying like that stuff, but I think like I don't know. Maybe it like forces it to be synchronous. If that's the case, I can like do a lot of stuff now. Yeah, maybe I could just. I'm gonna just try it. We could just like look and not have to do that. Dude, what is this supposed to be? I don't understand exactly because okay, why don't you like look at what the fetch function does? Is this coming from somewhere or can I just use it automatically? Fetch is a promise-based method. Okay, so let me check. Fetch method. Is the fetch method like no longer functional? Resource options. Okay, that's kind of what I was just trying to do. Okay, I think I need to like take some notes here then. Actually, before I do that, let me just like see if I can just do this. Wait, fetch. Let me put in the server here. I think it was like localhost 3000. I need to put it in quotes. Something like that. I don't remember too well. I think it was that. I think I have to also put that it's HTTP. I'm not subtle, bro. I don't do stuff like that. But I'm pretty direct, pretty cut and dry. Like you don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Like I'm only thinking about some very confusing relationship, just to say the least. A very, very confusing one. I'll talk about it later. All right, let's see. How are we doing here? I think I broke it, of course, because of this. It's not because of that. I just take away this. I need that there. I need to have something there. Okay, now it's doing stuff. And let's see here. Was cores request is not HTTP. Cross origin request blocked it. I didn't put a request. That's all there was. Same origin policy disallows reading remote resources at localhost 3000. Doesn't that kind of prevent me from doing any kind of like local software development? That's if I'm understanding that correctly. My HTTP localhost 3000 to HTTP localhost. You mean like with a period? What do you mean? I don't see the difference. Oh, from PS to P. Okay, so this is set up now. Um, I mean, but like, why? It's like, oh, because it's secure. Well, I'm just kind of assuming, but like the S makes it secure, and if it's secure, then it's not going to allow this kind of behavior. It's probably just a quirk of like this form of HTTP. I can probably afford to get a deeper understanding of this than just that, though. So I will. Actually, I don't know. This doesn't really count as view stuff. It's like, um, actually, it is kind of. This is view stuff. So like, I don't know, fetch. I don't know. What? Just I don't know, like, just like, okay. So Next slide. Now I'm gonna say here. I'll put this at the bottom. What's this? I'll put this up here. What's this? Okay, put this down here too. I don't know why that's there. Okay, so the fetch function. I don't really understand what the fetch function is for, but I think I can understand how it works, but I don't really know what it's doing. The window interface doesn't work anymore. It's gone. It doesn't work anymore. But it says that it works. When was this updated? 25? It was today. This is the first day of the year. I don't think that's what that means, but um, okay, fine. We'll just go along with whatever it's saying. What do you mean the network? So does it check if like the handler must be? I don't understand exactly what this is going at. Including URL object that provides. Okay, I don't know what it means exactly by URL. The string of fire. I'm gonna ignore that string of fire bit. Oh, so it's saying it can be a URL, so it can be like a URL object, so like the actual like module URL, it can be one of them. Yeah, it will still be the same. It can be a string or it can be a URL object. So I just repeated what I see, but I actually get it now. It means like it could be like the module URL. It can take in either one of those two types of things. My battery's about to die. No, that is not Jupiter. I hate that shit. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm saying that you already know anyways. What about like if it's I didn't quite understand why they were able to use the dot text here. Why are they able to use dot text? Uh, uh, I don't have any money. I don't have any money for you. Anyways, it's too hard, bro. It's too fucking hard. Can be willing to be a bit more objective. Okay, here. Now it's talking about it. Many ways to store data, and we will now see how to fetch from a JSON file. And so it's saying you can basically just use whatever you want. And okay, it's not saying that, but like you can use a lot of different things. But I don't know how it's using these things. What does it mean? Like I don't understand. Like hello world. I don't understand. So okay, so I know that when I have my local host, it's just like a string, so like it looks the same as this. Is that what it's trying to say? My ears are ringing. No, they're not. Yeah, they are ringing. Like I wouldn't know if they're whatever. Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. I could be going insane. Writing code is more important than going insane. All right. Anyways, um, so how do I work with that? Like, if it's just a .text file, like I know that it's just gonna be a string, but like where else do I go with that? It doesn't really make any sense to me. I want to go get some cookies. I'm so fucking fat. I'm not fat, but uh, I'm gonna be fat. I haven't taken a shower in like a week. Like I'm just not taking care of myself. It's not even like there's no reason. I'm just like not taking care of myself. Yeah. Anyways, because it's a JSON file. Okay, but when it's saying fetch a JSON, like it's just kind of like you're not really fetching. You're just kind of like getting data that's already on the computer, aren't you? Isn't that basically what's happening here? If I say fetch a text file, is that not just basically like you know? I mean, I can still see how that's useful, but like I don't really understand why that'd be you know like needed. I guess I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say. Okay, so here now it's using it like an actual API, and that's like just random data stored around robot avatars of lovingly delivered by global hash. Oh, these things. It's just making avatars. Oh, okay, that's cute. How is that a whatever? We're not gonna worry about that. Okay, I mean, like, I can see, I can see that. So if I change it to just the data, why do I have to await turning this into a JSON? Why is that necessary? Can I take that off? Why do I need that? It's not letting me edit anything. That's where all the learning is supposed to happen. Can I still use this? Like, I should be able to just take this code off. Okay, I have to like just figure out my own then. All right, so what have we learned so far? Used for APIs. Okay. Crap, even though no one's probably watching, it feels like I'm being watched. So like, I don't want to, you know, like these are my notes, so I need to make sure they work for my. I turn away. No me gusta. Okay. Facts. Facts. Wait, actually, do I even do that? Like, I can like make it something else, can't I? I could try that out. Just like fetch from like, let's fetch like a JS file. Where are we? If I fetch those, that's probably not a good idea. Let's try something this time. Okay, let's try this out. So like those. Yeah, it worked. That works. Mhm.